Hey guys, quick video about the something Valorant settings. So this site, like prosettings.net, is really amazing for knowing the settings of pro players. And he got this mouse. Crosshair is this. You can like stop the video right here for getting the settings. And then you're gonna have the keybinds right here. And then the map, and these are the video settings. So the graphics quality and general stuff here. And this is his gear. So you can just like pause the video for the graphics quality. And then when you're gonna go further, this is the gear. So have a great day and goodbye.